And now we are start the embryonic development. So embryonic development is nothing, it is just a process of the fertilized egg. So fertilized egg is the fusion of the two opposite gametes. It takes place in the fallopian tube. Then fertilized egg move into the uterus and get implanted. So that process called implantation. So implantation result into formation of leads to the pregnancy. So the stage of pregnancy till birth is called gestational period. That period is called gestational period. So gestational period, so it is all about in human 9 months period. So first the implantation where the pregnancy shows, and then the in pregnancy blastocyst form the germ layer through the process of gastrulations, and then the different shapes of the embryo through the morphogenetic movement and ultimately form the organs, various organs through the organogenesis process, and various primitive organs, then it form a fetus. So now the state of the embryo is called fetus. So how the gestational period, and we are going to tell step by step or week by week development of the organ, okay, during gestational period. So first in gestation, in first week fertilization takes place, which leads to the cleavage formation. Cleavage form first morula, then blastocyst, and blastocyst get implanted. That process called implantation takes place where the embryo inserted into the endometrium of uterus. Second week, primary germ layers form ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm, and in this and third week women don't shows period. So menstruation stop, no blood comes out, this will sign the pregnancy signs. And so during third week, beginning of the backbone form and cephalization start, head or brain formation takes place, as well as spinal cord. So third week, now in 4 week, heart and blood vessels are formed, as well as umbilical cord. So umbilical cord, which is connected through the embryo and which supply the blood, supply the nutrition through blood or across the placenta, goes to the fetus. So this is the umbilical cord formation, which is formed from the allantois. On week 5, brain developing, limbs birth start, and blood having contracting abilities, and blood and heart pumping of heart starts. On week 6, eyes and ears start to form. On week 7, all major internal organs including mouth and tongue develop. On week, fetus is fully formed and sex organ well developed. On week 20, hair beginning to grow and fingerprint develop. On week 24, eyelids open and legal limits for abortion. So you are not able to abort the growing embryo or fetus still. So on normal condition. Week 24, baby moving vigorously, they are able to move in amniotic fluids and movement takes place. Week 30, usually laying head down towards the cervix, and week 40, so birth and completion of the gestation and parturition takes place. So this is the process. So in parturition is nothing, it is just a expulsion of the fully termed fetus from the mother womb or uterus. So it requires that there are various processes. So it is controlled through the nervous as well as endocrine system. So nervous system, which internal reflex or parasympathetic or sympathetic reflex takes place, and hormonal, there are 2 hormones required. First is oxytocin and relaxin. Oxytocin help in the contraction of the uterus, which pull the or contract the uterus and push the fetus through mother womb. So, there are the during the parturition processes, the main process start fetal ejection reflex. So, fetal ejection reflex is the start from fully mature fetus and placenta, which is divided into 3 phases. First phase is stage of dilation, where the dilation of the cervix start by the rupturing of the amniotic sacs and discharge of the blood, whatever the content present inside the amniotic sac. So, it release, and the second process stage of expulsion by the vigorous contraction of the uterus, which moves through the cervix and vagina by relaxation of this of cervix and vagina, and ultimately the placenta comes out finally, and detached placenta from the endometrium. So, this is the delivery of the baby or parturition. So, after parturition, so lactation starts. So, lactation is the formation of the milk in mammary gland under the prolactin hormone. So, prolactin hormone induce the formation of milk in mammary alveoli. So, in mammary alveoli which milks are present. So, under the another hormone, that is oxytocin, which acts on the myoepithelial cells, which contract the glands, and already synthesized milk comes out through the mammary duct and leads out to the lactiferous duct through nipple. So, this is all about the synthesis and ejection of the milk when the baby suckle the breast or nipple. Okay? It is.